How's it going everyone? Laser here with another unboxing. This time we'll take a look at the new RTX 3070 from Gigabyte. This is a gaming OC version offering slightly more performance than the reference version from Nvidia. The manufacturer decided to go with 4 years of warranty, so 1 year on top of the standard 3 years, which is a really nice addition. Alright, let's pop open the box and see what's inside. On the inner box we have a Gigabyte logo, a recurring theme for all of Gigabyte's GPUs. We saw similar design with the 3080's box as well. Inside of the black box we will find an envelope with a quick start guide which tells you how to connect the card, how to install it in your PC, and a brochure explaining how to get 4 years of support. You need to go to Gigabyte's website and register the card to get the additional 1 year. And now the card itself, which is packed in a protective bag. Let's open it and see how the card looks and feels. So right out of the box we can see that the card is smaller than the 3080 series. It's shorter, slightly thinner and slightly less high. It also weighs slightly less than the bigger brother. We'll compare it to 3080 a bit later on, but the overall build quality is really good. It has a metal backplate which helps with thermals, and the general look and feel is almost the same as Gigabyte's 3080, which is great since the card had great thermals, so we can expect similar performance here. It also has an open space at the back which allows for better air circulation, which helps with thermals as well. Obviously there's a PCIe shroud included to help protect the PCIe connector. And on the front of the card you have 4 connectors, 2 for DisplayPort and 2 for HDMI. The Gigabyte logo that you're currently looking at is an RGB logo, so you can change it to your liking, set it to different colors or different display patterns. It doesn't have a notch at the top, which in my eyes is a good change. It also has a physical BIOS switch which helps you switch from silent mode to performance mode and vice versa. And as the name suggests, the silent mode has slightly less aggressive fan curve, which should also help with the acoustics. Now let's have a look how it compares to Asus 3080 Strix OC. As you can see, it's shorter, thinner and more compact, also much lighter than the other card. It also uses only 2 power connectors instead of 3, which correlates to the power consumption of the card. I think the 3070 will be a much better choice for anyone running a more compact PC, more compact build, because it allows you to save much more space overall. I was also able to test the card for coil whine, and unfortunately this card also exhibits coil whine similar to the other cards I have tested, and it seems like it's a very common problem for all of Ampere's GPUs. Let's have a quick look at performance tests I was able to do. There aren't much of them since this isn't a review, but they're a good indicator of what to expect from the card. Obviously, as you can see, it's less powerful than the 3080 by around 36% in Red Dead Redemption 2 on 1440p, very high settings. Still, it offers an average of 80 FPS, which is a great result for casual 1440p gaming, and after lowering the settings we can achieve more FPS. Of course, the difference in performance will be lower at 1080p and higher at 4K. In Unigine Heaven we can see that the difference is slightly smaller at around 24% in favor of the 3080. The difference isn't huge and correlates well with the price difference, so if you're more on a budget side, the 3070 is still a very good choice. Alright, that's it for today's unboxing and quick look at the RTX 3070 gaming OC from Gigabyte. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.